First, open the Google Chrome app on your Samsung phone. Tap the address bar. Type iPhone ringtone. Then tap Search. Tap any website that offers the ringtone you want. Now scroll through the available ringtone options. Select the ringtone you like. Once you find the ringtone you want, tap the Download button. Wait a few seconds for the ringtone to download. After the download is complete, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Vibration. Then tap Ringtone. Now tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Find and select the ringtone you recently downloaded. Then tap Done. The downloaded ringtone will now be added and set as your phone's ringtone. That's it. This is how you can make your Android phone ring like an iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.